So I haven't done a video in a while, so I thought I'd bring out the 2017 Sportster 48. I got this because I really like the styling of it, but we're going to give you a little sample of what the pipes sound like. They are the Vance and Hines short shots. They originally come with the loud baffle or standard baffle, and I converted it to the quiet baffle because the original baffles in the pipes were just way too loud even for me. This is a 2017 Peril white denim. Got this when I was doing the research after I got it. I found out they only made like 86, 87 of these in that color combination, and 68 or 7 were shipped to California, and the rest were spread around the United States. So not too many of them out in that color combination. But anyway, we'll get her cranked up here and see what it sounds like. Short pipes, Vance and Hines. Really like the styling of the pipes. Bike is a fun too. I don't know if you've driven any of the fuel injection 1200s, but it's a fun little bike. Really gets around.